Today we're talking about catfish farming. Yes, catfish farming. A lot of questions have been coming up. Is catfish lucrative? Can I venture into catfish farming? Am I going to get my profit? So I've come to tell us that catfish is actually lucrative, and there are some tips I'll be giving us today in order for us to actually get a huge profit from this business. Stay tuned to the end of this video in order not for you to miss any important points. Yes, catfish business. There are a lot of people venturing into catfish farming, but they are missing out some things, and that is the reason why they are not getting good results. Yes, that is the reason why they are not getting good results. So in this video, I'll be giving us 4 points, 4 important points we need to take note of in order for us to have a very good return after investing on this business. The first thing I would like to talk about is the seed. The seed we are stocking, be it post fingerlings, be it juvenile, be it jumbo, whatsoever type of seed you want to stock, make sure it is a very good seed. Make sure it is a very good seed. That is the first mistake most farmer are making. They are stocking a wrong seed, and at the end of the day, after feeding these fishes, they notice that they are not growing, and it fall back to the profit they are supposed to get, because they have spent a lot on the fish, and at the end of the day, the fish is not giving them the expected weight it's supposed to. So make sure you stock a very good seed. It's very important. Whenever you want to get your seed from the hatcher, be sure that the hatcher is giving you the right seed. Be sure the hatcher is giving you the right seed.
Yeah, this is a typical example of the type of seed you're not to stock. I told you that your seed, the seedlings you are stocking is important in order for you to get a very good result. So look at this fish now. It's so small. When you place your meter rule, you see that this one cannot be more than 2.5 to 3 centimeter. So you can't stock this. It is very small. You can't stock this. Look at this fish now. This is a typical example of what you should stock. Placing your meter rule on this, you see that it is above 6. So this is the size here to stock, instead of the other one, the first size I showed you. The first one I showed you is just 3 centimeter, and that is post fries. But this, it is a post fingerlings. You can see. So this is the typical example of the size of fish you should stock.
Number two is don't overstock your pond. My dear friends, don't overstock your pond. Know the capacity of your pond before stocking. It is very important. There should be spacing. If you overstock your pond, you will choke them. There will not be space for them to grow. Hope you are getting my point. So don't overstock your pond if you actually want to get a very good return from your investment. Don't overstock your pond. Number three, make sure you feed your fish very well. The fish you are stocking, you have to plan for them. It is what you give to them, they will give you back in return. If you refuse to feed your fishes well, At the end of the day, when you are selling, you won't get a very good profit. At the end of the day, when you are selling, you won't get a very good weight. Feed your fishes very well. It is important. If you actually want to get a very good return on your investment, you must feed your fishes very well. You can feed them 2 times daily. 2 times daily is not too much. If you know that you don't have enough capital, then you reduce your production. If you know all what you have at hand can cater for 100 pieces of fishes, it is not necessary you stock 200. You can stock 100. Since you know that the amount you have can only cater for 100 pieces of fishes, it's better you stock 100 than stocking 150 or 200, and at the end of the day you can't feed them. So if you actually want to get a very good return on your investment, feed your fishes very well. Is very important. And the last thing I would like to talk about is your water management. Catfish are aquatic animals. They live in water. Water is important. If you want to venture into catfish farming, water is important. So changing of water is necessary. You can't keep your fish in a dirty water and expect them to do well. No. So your water management is very important. I will try and run through what I've listed earlier. The first one, I talk about the seed you are stocking. The seed you are stocking, make sure you stock a very good seed. Number two, don't overstock your pond. Don't overstock your pond. Number three, make sure you feed your fishes very well and adequately. Make sure you feed them very well. Then the last one is the water management. Make sure you are putting your fish in a very clean water. When you notice the water is dirty, change it. It's important. All these things, if you can actually follow these steps, you will see that you are going to get a very good return on your investment. So if you find this video interesting and educating, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell in order for you to be notified when other educating video like this are being uploaded. And if you have any question, you can do well to drop it on the comment section.